This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location sharing in the Zen browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen browser opened up now. Location sharing is if you go to like a weather website and it automatically kind of knows where you're at, that you have location sharing enabled. To enable it or disable it, it's very easy to do. You want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the permissions area, and right here, the very top thing, Location, you want to click on Settings off to the right of Location. In the little dialog box that opens up here, right down towards the bottom, block new requests asking to access your location. If this box is checked, location sharing is disabled. If it is unchecked, location sharing is enabled. If you change that, then you want to go down to the lower right corner and click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable location sharing in the Zen browser. Thanks for watching.